In this video, we'll look at another way to identify similar triangles. That way is angle-angle similarity, which says that if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, the triangles are going to be similar. So in this figure, the triangle ABC and triangle FGH, we can see that the angles A and F are equal to each other, and B and G are equal to each other. So by AA similarity, we can say, and we have to put it in the right order, start with the one that has one mark for the angle, which is A and F. A and F start, then B and G, then C and H. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. Let's look at an example of how to apply this. Determine whether the triangles are similar. If so, write a similarity statement explaining your reasoning. Okay, so we can see here that L and M are equal to each other, but J and P are not. 48 does not equal 75. So let's take a look at what these angles right here are equal to. So K, to solve for K, we know that a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, so 48 plus 57 plus K equals 180. 48 plus 57 gives us 105, plus angle K equals 180. Subtract 105 from both sides, and we get angle K equals 75. So angle K now is 75, which is equal to angle P. So we have angle K is congruent to angle P, and we already said that angle L is congruent to angle M. So by AA similarity, we can say, and we have to write it in the right order, so Q is going to be 48 since they're similar. So we don't have to actually solve for that one because we know it's going to be 48. Let's start with the smallest side. We'll say triangle J, which is 48, and then K, let's do the 75, and then the 57L, is similar to triangle, and then again start with the smallest one, Q, P, M. Smallest, largest, then medium. So JKL is similar to triangle QPM. And we could name this different ways as long as we go in the same order for each triangle. Now let's look at the next one. We can see that this angle equals this angle because they're both vertical angles, and vertical angles are always equal. Next, it helps to extend these lines to see a little bit. I'm going to extend these out. So these two lines here are parallel. So if we look at the angles that it makes, we can see that this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles as well as these angles. So we can pick any pair of angles. We see that all three are equal, but we only need two. We could say that angle R equals angle W, and we could say that angle, let's say this angle RSX equals angle WST. ST. So if both of those are equal, we could say that these are similar to each other, and let's write the same order. So we knew this angle S are equal in both, so we can start by putting angle S. We'll write our similarity statement. Then R is equal to W, so R and W, and then X and T are equal. So there's our similarity statement.